What if I told you that two simple ingredients, probably sitting in your kitchen right now, hold the power to transform your health, clear your arteries, and even banish ED naturally? Sounds impossible? Science says otherwise. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize that erectile dysfunction and clogged arteries share the same root cause: poor circulation. Fix one and you fix both. Stay with me, because in just a few minutes I'll reveal exactly what these two ingredients are, how they work, and how you can start using them today to restore blood flow, boost energy, and reclaim your health without expensive medications or risky procedures. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple. It's nature's most powerful artery-cleansing weapon. If you think garlic is just for seasoning, think again. This tiny clove holds the power to clear your arteries, boost blood flow, and restore your vitality faster than you'd ever expect. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract slowed plaque buildup by up to 80% in patients with heart disease. This means garlic doesn't just prevent blockages, it actively helps reverse them. A meta-analysis of 12 clinical trials published in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension, 2020, showed that garlic supplements lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 10 mmHg and diastolic pressure by 8 mmHg, making it as effective as leading hypertension medications but without side effects. The secret behind its power is allicin, a potent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and cardiovascular supporting compound that forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Research shows that allicin protects blood vessels from oxidative damage, reduces arterial stiffness, and enhances overall circulation, which is critical for both heart health and erectile function. However, most people destroy garlic's benefits before it even reaches their bodies. Cooking garlic at high temperatures eliminates its healing properties. To activate its full potential, chop or crush raw garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes. A 2019 study from the University of Nottingham found that allowing garlic to rest after chopping maximizes allicin formation, unlocking its full medicinal potential. For best results, consume 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic per day. A simple way to prepare it is by crushing 1 garlic clove, letting it sit, then mixing it with a spoonful of raw honey before consuming it on an empty stomach every morning, followed by a glass of water. Alternatively, you can crush 1 garlic clove, mix it with warm water and a squeeze of lemon, and drink it first thing in the morning to cleanse your arteries and boost circulation. Beyond heart health and circulation, garlic is one of the most powerful natural medicines ever studied. A 2014 study in Clinical Nutrition found that garlic reduces colds and flu by 63%, thanks to its powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies published in Microbial Pathogenesis 2018 show that garlic kills harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, making it a natural antibiotic. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism 2018 reveal that garlic increases estrogen levels in postmenopausal women, helping to prevent osteoporosis. Ancient Olympians used garlic to boost stamina, and modern studies in Nutrients 2021 confirm that garlic supplementation reduces exercise-induced fatigue and improves endurance performance. Garlic isn't just food, it's a natural, scientifically proven super medicine. Try it for just a few weeks and you'll feel the transformation. Stay tuned for the next ingredient, one that instantly expands blood vessels and skyrockets circulation with just a small daily dose. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is not just a circulation booster, it is a full-body health transformer. This fiery spice does more than just add heat to food. It ignites metabolism, strengthens the heart, and provides numerous health benefits that many people overlook. The key component in cayenne pepper is capsaicin, a bioactive compound that acts as natural medicine, triggering healing processes within the body. Adding a small amount of cayenne pepper to a daily routine can lead to significant health improvements. It speeds up metabolism and burns fat by increasing body heat production, triggering thermogenesis, and allowing for more fat burning even while at rest. Studies indicate that cayenne pepper can also reduce appetite, curb cravings, and help target stubborn belly fat. If you've made it this far, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It tells us loud and clear, someone out there is watching, taking their health seriously, and ready to be part of a real movement for change. It plays a crucial role in balancing blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, helping to prevent energy crashes and cravings. Cayenne pepper also fights inflammation and joint pain, because capsaicin acts as a natural painkiller, blocking pain signals before they ever reach your brain. It has been used for centuries to relieve arthritis, muscle pain, and migraines, offering an alternative to painkillers without harmful side effects. It improves digestion and gut health by stimulating digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, preventing gas, and protecting the gut lining. Contrary to common belief, cayenne pepper can even reduce the risk of ulcers by eliminating harmful bacteria. Cayenne detoxifies the liver by enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes. It helps flush out toxins, stimulate liver function, and break down fatty deposits. A healthy liver results in more energy, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. It also clears sinuses and boosts immunity by breaking up mucus, clearing congestion, and helping the body fight off colds, infections, and allergies. In addition to its detoxifying properties, cayenne pepper supports heart health by naturally lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol, and preventing blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Improved circulation means that more oxygen and nutrients reach the brain. Cayenne also promotes healthy skin and helps fight acne. It enhances circulation, reduces inflammation, and provides antioxidants that can improve overall skin health. Regular consumption of cayenne pepper has even been linked to increased longevity and cellular health. Research suggests that people who frequently eat spicy foods may live longer due to cayenne's ability to fight free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and keep cells healthier for longer. There are several ways to incorporate cayenne pepper into a daily routine. A common method is preparing a cayenne pepper drink by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper with 1 cup of warm water and the juice of half a lemon. For taste, 1 teaspoon of raw honey can be added. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning helps jumpstart circulation, detoxify the body, and boost metabolism. Another option is a cayenne pepper detox shot, which involves mixing 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and half a cup of water. Adding a pinch of turmeric can provide extra anti-inflammatory benefits. This shot can be taken once a day to support detoxification and increase energy levels. Cayenne pepper can also be added to a smoothie by blending 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. This method allows for a milder spice level while still delivering the health benefits. Additionally, cayenne pepper can be sprinkled into soups, stews, salads, or other meals to enhance flavor and support circulation. When incorporating cayenne pepper into a diet, it is best to start with 1/4 teaspoon per day and gradually increase the amount if needed. Individuals who have not consumed cayenne regularly should begin with a small pinch and slowly build up their tolerance. It is not recommended to exceed 1 teaspoon per day, as excessive intake may cause irritation. The benefits of cayenne pepper include improved energy, better circulation, enhanced heart health, and overall peak body performance. Making it a part of a daily routine can lead to significant improvements in well-being. Trying it for a week can be a simple way to experience its transformative effects. If you are experiencing poor circulation, erectile dysfunction, or constant fatigue, waiting is not an option. Time is not on your side, and ignoring the signs will not make them go away. But the solution is right in front of you. You do not need expensive medications, dangerous procedures, or a lifetime of struggling with poor blood flow. The answer is natural, powerful, and within your reach. By combining garlic and cayenne pepper, you are not just clearing your arteries, you are unlocking a life-changing transformation. Your blood starts flowing freely, your heart pumps stronger, and your entire body wakes up with newfound energy and vitality. This is not just about fixing a problem, it is about taking back control. It is about feeling younger, stronger, and more alive than you have in years. The choice is simple. Take action now, or keep letting blocked arteries and sluggish circulation steal your health, energy, and future. The time to change is now. These are not small changes. These are life-saving transformations. The numbers do not lie. Science proves that simple, natural ingredients like garlic and cayenne pepper can drastically improve circulation, protect your heart, and even extend your lifespan. You have 2 choices. Ignore this and continue down the path of declining health, or take action now. Start incorporating garlic and cayenne into your daily routine and experience the results for yourself. Your heart, your energy, and your future depend on it. Do yourself a favor. Start using these ingredients today. Every second you wait is another moment your arteries stay blocked, your energy remains drained, and your health stays at risk. Your body is waiting for you to take action. Your future self is counting on you. This is your chance to turn things around. No more struggling with poor circulation. No more feeling exhausted and powerless. You deserve a body that thrives, a heart that beats strong, and a life filled with unstoppable energy. Are you ready to make a change? Let me know in the comments if you want my favorite artery cleansing recipe using these powerhouse ingredients. And if this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. You could literally help save a life today. Let's take back our health, the natural way. The time is now. The choice is yours. See you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward.